Gap theories. Market has three types of openings: gap up, gap down, and flat opening. Let us discuss this with an example of Nifty 50 chart. This is Nifty 50. Go to the terminal. Select any time frame. I will be selecting the 5 minutes time frame. If Nifty opens above the previous day closing price, then it is known as gap up. Okay, let us see for the gap down. Yeah, if Nifty opens below the previous day closing price, then it is known as gap down opening. And if Nifty opens same or very near to the previous day closing price, then it is known as flat opening. These are the three conditions. So let us discuss why gap ups and gap downs are formed. As we know, our market closed at 3:30 p.m. So after that there will be some news or events or company results which will affect the next day's market. As you know, like FIIs, foreign institutional investors, invest in Singapore market, which is known as SGX Nifty, and the Singapore market timings are from 6:30 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. So after our market close, buying and selling still happens after our market. So based on this, next day Indian market will open high or low or same. Okay. So what will happen if there is a gap up? If there is a gap up, 90% of the time markets will fill the gap up, and if there is any gap down, 90% market will fill the gap down. So it's vice versa. Okay, let us see for the gap up. Condition 1, if market opened at support. Gap up can be found at support or resistance, okay, or in between support and resistance. Okay, so gap up can be found at support, resistance, or in between support and resistance. If market opens at the support level, we can chase the market. Support region itself is a demand zone, so here we can chase the market. Market can go upside and we can expect a strong buy. Condition 2, if market opened at resistance, market may fall. Here we don't have to chase the market. Here we need to wait for a proper price action. Don't even sell here, because resistance may break out after some time and it may go uptrend. So resistance region is also known as supply zone, so we need to wait here. Condition 3, market may open in between support and resistance. Okay, so here we need to wait for the gap. Okay, so gap will fill and goes up, then we can enter the trade. Like conclusion or finally, if it is a gap up at support, chase the market. At resistance, wait for the proper entry. In between support and resistance, wait for the gap fill. So this is same vice versa to gap down as well. At support, we need to wait for the proper entry. At resistance, we need to chase the market. In between support and resistance, we need to wait for gap fill. Also avoid bigger gap ups and bigger gap downs. If Nifty opens like around 2% above, 3% above, and we need to wait for some time, if gap up occurs above resistance, don't chase the market. At any point of time selling may happen, better to wait for some time for proper entry.